guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is a day in my life. So what I did was I woke up, then I washed my face, attended all of my classes, then I took a shower, and here I am, and I'm super hungry, so let's go make something. Okay, so for breakfast I don't know how to make anything, but I do know how to make a smoothie. Okay, I got the banana. Oh, and the milk. Okay, all right. Okay, banana, milk, okay, sugar, and lastly my favorite, chocolate syrup. Go. Yes, my favorite. Oh, this is too much. Okay, some protein because I forgot to add that. Okay, first taste of the smoothie. It's good. The protein isn't good, but and then it's good. I feel sick after drinking that entire protein smoothie shake, and I am convinced that I might be lactose intolerant. So I have to prepare a presentation because it is an assignment for my class in marketing, but no one has given the presentation yet, so I am waiting to see if few people have given it, and then I can prepare my presentation. But I have some free time today, so I'll probably do it. But at the moment I have to answer a few of my emails and write a few emails, so I'll do that. Sit you down. Okay, so I got this planner recently and I'm going to fill everything out in this. Now I know that it's April and I should have bought it in January, but I had a digital planner, so I'll transfer it later, the first 3 months, but in April I'll fill it here.
Easier, easier, can we make it easier? Easier, 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 easier. Still debating to call you.
This is my journal for the Thursday, which is today. I'm grateful for my pets and then the things that I have to do. I'll write more eventually as the day goes on.
But somehow I find comfort.
It's time to open some PR packages. So the first thing is Lakme 925 Rouge, which is, I guess, blush. It has very pretty packaging, and this is what it looks like. The next product is the Maybelline New York's mascara. This is super good and it'll give you like really good lashes. So this is what this looks like. Now the next thing that I got is this lash curler. Using this on your eyelashes will give you like very voluminous eyelashes, which is super cool. So this is what I got. I guess everyone knows what this is. This is the Fit Me foundation by Maybelline New York, and yeah, this is perfectly in my shade, so you can simply use it. It gives you really good coverage, and this is the next product that I got. Now, so this is the Maybelline New York's concealer. Now this will also give you really good coverage under your eyes, so it's really cool, and I'll try it out in some time. So this is really good. This is the next product I got. So this is the Maybelline New York's gel eyeliner. Let's see what this thing looks like. So it comes with an applicator brush, which is this right here, and along with it, this is the actual like the product. Now the next product that I got is the Maybelline New York's primer. Yes, everything mostly in this video is by Maybelline New York. It is widely available on Amazon and it's authenticated, so there's no like problem for duplicacy. So this is the primer that I got. Everything is by Maybelline in this video mostly. Now this is the next product. This is the Wet n Wild spray, which is like what you use when you have completed your makeup. So it's the setting spray. this is what this looks like, and now this is the last package that I have. Let's see what's inside this. Oh, straightener that I got. My straightener that I used, it broke, so I needed a new straightener, and therefore this is the straightener that I got. It's the Philips Selfie straightener. See it for yourself that the plates are like quite thick, so you like it'll grab your hair and then straighten it perfectly well. My hair are pretty much straight, but you can see the ends are like going out and going in. so the plates on this are really smooth, and it'll just like make your hair super smooth and silky. So I'll put the link to all of these items in the description box below, so make sure that you check it out. Also, I'd like to thank my haul store where you can shop all these items, and let's move ahead with the video.
To get used to the bone, but I'm not the one you chose. Gotta make it on my own.
So since a lot of you have asked me to watch some K-dramas when I'm on Netflix, therefore I'm watching this It's Okay to Not Be Okay K-drama. I'm not sure how it is, but I've just started it out and it's quite dramatic. It seems dramatic. So yeah, let's see if I like it or not.
हम पिछली बार वहाँ कब गए थे? फिक्र मत करो बिल.
Also, they weren't in English, like the translation wasn't in English, so I didn't see the point to watch it in Korean. I know many of you will be like, you should watch it in Korean because it's authentic, but I'd rather watch it in Hindi. And Hindi, like as you all know, the Hindi dubbing, it's so funny. That's why this seems a little funny to me, even though I don't think it's a funny series, like a comedy series, but yeah, that's it. So I ate, I did some things, and here I am working out today. So here's my workout outfit. You'll see it in a bit. This is my workout. So guys, this is my workout outfit. Yes, I've जाओ यहाँ से क्या जाओ. Okay, so I'll be doing some sort of workout today, weight gain workout, because I don't want to lose any more weight than what is already lost, and I'm also thinking of doing some ab workout. So
When you talk, I don't know what to say. I'm going. See me when I walk, I'm walking far away. I'm leaving.
Leg for 12 reps each. Chest press.
See me looking.
I worked out after so long today. I am tired, sweating a little bit. How many calories did I burn? 104. Still very poor. Also guys, I just want to say that please stay home. It is not safe for anyone to step out in this COVID crisis, especially if you have like grandparents, and it's go out only if it's super important, otherwise do not go out. And also please maintain all of the precautions, including sanitizing your hands and washing your hands, because COVID-19 is serious and it is real. Please take it seriously. So right now it is 11:14, but I am super tired and I want to sleep. It's very early for me to sleep, but because of the workout and stuff, I just want to sleep. But before that, I have to walk my dog. Oh, there's a ghost. I'm just kidding. There's no ghost. Oh, this part is totally like bland. I don't know. So guys, that was all for this video. I hope you all like it, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and Twitter. It'll be here on the screen, and I'll see you guys in my next video now. Bye bye.